Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the best affiliate marketing offer which are available right now. In this tutorial I'm going just to show you affiliate marketing on how you're going to make more than even $50 daily just by sharing an ebook. Okay, so welcome to cash flow mindset, and in this video I'm going to show you on how you're going to sell to sell an ebook in an affiliate. You just don't need to write anything, you just need to share your link, convince people just to buy that book, and you get your commission at the very same day into your PayPal. So the first thing first, there's this site called pulse pulse dot buzz pulse.buzz. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you open this site, pulse.buzz, you will see something like this. You will make an account, and this is just a disclaimer. When you're making an account, you'll wait for it to be approved, or even you don't need to make an account. You just come to that site, path.buzz, and then you just scroll to affiliate programs, where you just click this link. This link will lead you to the actual the task. This one, I need affiliate marketers. This is the task. You just click it. Once you click it, you could see here the steps to step and all the details about these programs, and this program is actually right here. So the only thing you are going to just to do is to follow the steps and get paid at the end of the day. So it pays daily. So the first thing is that you just create an account here. Actually, once you create an account here, it will, once you click this link, that's the first step. You register as an affiliate, you create this affiliate. You'll see a form like this where you put your own details there, and then you'll wait for the admin to approve your account. Once your account is approved, or if it takes too long to be approved, you'll just comment down here or contact the admin of this Cashflow Nation. So once you do that, you will be given your affiliate link. So the product, basically I'm going just to give a tutorial on this product and how you're going to market it. So once you have the affiliate link, the affiliate link is this product. This product is a Praxis 7001 guide, and this one is for students who are studying for Praxis exams. So this here is the all the details you need to know about this book, and this is what you'll use to do a marketing for it. So you'll just copy paste this one for to ChatGPT and tell it to generate Facebook posts, or you convince students on buying this book. The book goes for 49.99, but once you register, you will get coupons which you will be using for marketing, so that you can convince people to buy it at a lower price or something like that. The coupons will be always there, and everything will always be there. Any support you will need, it will be always there. So once you get that affiliate link and I've shown you the book, you start promoting it. That is step 3. And promoting it is very simple. You just go to your Facebook account and then look for Praxis exam. Praxis, let me type this here. Praxis exam. So here you can see that this Praxis, or you search for Praxis 7001, all those Praxis, you will find them there. All these are the potential buyers of that book. So it's kind of very simple and very easy. So you search for Praxis 7001, which will be very easy. Praxis 701. Okay, let's just do that. So Praxis, let's search here Praxis. Praxis 701, and then you just search this one on Facebook. Once you get these groups, there are a lot of groups. Praxis 701, and these ones, all these here are the Praxis 7011 groups, those people who want Praxis. And you can see how people are marketing this process. Praxis 701, all those are actually here. So like, let's say that, hey everyone, I'm taking Praxis 7001 much very soon. Any tips and help? So this person here will just come and comment and convince him or her to buy this book. Quite very simple. You can see how the others are doing for the other books, which is very simple. You can just tell them to DM, or you can send them the link. Mostly when you send the link here, they will block you. So most important thing that you do, you just tell them to DM or chat private, or make a deal with them, and then once they buy, you can use the coupons. Once they buy, you get your commission at that time. So there are a lot. This one are taking Praxis 701. So there are a lot, guys, and you can see that they're even the latest this March 26th, and we're on March 30th. So there are people taking this one, and it's kind of an open market. You can just join all those groups of Praxis 7001, and you'll get all the potential buyers of this book. Once you do that, that is the marketing. The clients are here on Facebook. Okay, now once you do that, you sell, you can use the coupons, and then the commission starts from 20%. Let's imagine that you have sold this book at 49.99. So 20% of 49.99, that will be of 49.99, that will be $9, around $10. And this $10 you are going to be sent to your PayPal account immediately, or latest by the end of the day, that is by 6 p.m. So once you do that, once you sell that book, all you get is that 20%. And for 10 sales, for those who will do like 10 sales, that will get a $20 plus bonus, and then their commission will increase to 25%. So meaning from the 11th sale they will get 25% commission. But if they reach 20 sales, you will save a $50 commission, and you'll get a 30% commission for your growth. And then from the 21st sale, you'll get your 30% commission. And from there on, there are other bonuses and other growth in that, until you get to even 100 sales. Okay, you will be, for those who will be needing the training, the training is there on how to do that, as I was telling you on Facebook. And you generate sales just to that ebook only. That's the simplest thing, and receive earnings the same day. Imagine selling that thing and receiving a payment the same very day. And also there are other instruction about this program here. So it's kind of very simple and very easy. You just register as an affiliate, make the sale, and get your $10 each and every sale. Imagine selling making 10 sales in a day. That is kind of $100. Very easy and very simple. And plus, you can use the coupons to convince the customers to buy. And it's kind of a winning thing because students really need this book to study for their exams. So kind of very simple and very easy. So what you are going to do is just clicking the link below, that is or just going to visit this site called Palsware.buzz, and you'll get all these program here. Once you register, you just wait for the admin to confirm first when you are approved. Actually, just approval for both this site when registering to this site, and the same when you are registering to join as an affiliate. Once you fill all the details here, and the payouts are through PayPal. Just very simple and very easy. So let's continue making money online, and follow for more in making money online. See you in the next video.